So in this video, I'm going to show you how to configure a schedule backup in AutoCount server. First, you need to log into your AutoCount and log in as admin. Next, you can go to File, Manage AutoCount Server, and Schedule Backup Setting. So here there's two login method. The first one is access password, and the second one is email verification. So for access password, you get it from when you configure the AutoCount server, or you can also use email verification where you key in your email address and just request for a verification code. So I'm going to use the access password which I have received from when I configured my server. So I can just copy and paste and click confirm. So now I am in the AutoCount schedule backup control panel. So here I can add new task, which is task 1. We can rename the task. You can choose your backup start date and time. For example, I'm going to choose today at 5 p.m. Next, you can choose your repeat time, every hour, day, weekday, or month. So usually we will choose every day. And then you can tick on it, notify on success, and key in your email. So every time the backup is successful, it will send to your email. Then days to keep backup files is 30 days, or you can put any other value. Next, you can choose which database you want to backup. So just click the plus sign, key in the instance name, which is 8006. Click Get All Available Database. So here I'm going to choose the database that I'm going to backup today. Next, you can go to Output Destination tab. In this Output Destination tab, you click plus. Here there are 3 destination types: Local Network Folder, FTP, or Google Drive. So I'm going to show you on Local Network Folder first. So here, Target Directory, you can just browse. And you can choose the folder for you to put your backup file. I choose AutoCount Schedule Backup folder. Click OK, and click OK. So it has been assigned to backup to this folder. Or you can backup to FTP. For FTP, I won't show any details, so you may refer to your network provider, domain provider, and Google Drive. So Google Drive, you just have to sign in. Okay. So you may sign into your Google account. And once you have received this message, you may close. And in AutoCount, your from Google sign in successful, so just click OK. So this is done, you can click save. That's all for schedule backup.